Hello everyone, this is Lyto demo. I am one of the co-founders, and I'm going to show to you the key functions and some other important things. So first of all, Lyto can inject into absolutely every page, execute any actions, and elaborate with this content. For example, it can click any buttons, fill any forms based on your data, something like that. So here, as you can see, he wrote me a solution to a city question and filled it into a form. Also, he built me a graph since he can build absolutely any type of charts. It could be uh, any documents as well, PDF or Word. For example, here he's giving me an explanation as well and clicking the correct answer. Also, Lisa can find you any sources for any topic. So here, I'm just asking him to open me some sources about antimatter on Wikipedia, which is he opening. And yeah. So here, I will just ask him to summarize me content of this page. Since it's a lot of text here, so it would be convenient to me to break it into some key points or something like that. Also, you may select absolutely every element on the page. For example, here I selected two photos and like some formula. And he will just look at that, take a look, make a compression between the context of the page, and give you an answer based on what you have selected. Okay, the next use case is could be Google Sheets. Here I'm asking him to open me like a empty spreadsheet, and after that I will provide him some data. This is document with mock data. I don't know, it's about business or something. So here I'm just asking him to create a table based on this document, and after that make a graph. So this is another type of interaction with the page, and probably another useful use case for you. So as you can see, in just a couple of seconds, you can do absolutely every spreadsheet. Also, it could be Google Docs or other things. So here are some other functions that we have in our UI. So it's tasks. For example, task is your background agent, which is always on your Telegram. For example, here I just asked him to send me this link to the Telegram, but also you can use it for absolutely every task. For example, search something or book your an appointment, since it has its own browser and Telegram. So basically, yeah, it's a background task, and you're allowed to work with this agent in your home by background tasks are being processed. So here are our scheduled actions. We have some suggestions for you. Basically, you can schedule any action, track some prices, or do morning briefings, create your files, or any other things. History is where all your chats are located, and the projects share the same memory with all chats within this project. Settings, here you can see all MCPs you can connect, for example, this Google for Google Docs, calendar, your Gmail. Memory contains all information that is useful for your work. It's being stored by AI by itself.